Hello, everyone. As we all know, a healthy diet is the key to living a healthy lifestyle. But sometimes it can be difficult to make time for healthy meals, especially when you're on the go. That's why it's important to have some healthy snack ideas up your sleeve so you can grab something nutritious without having to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. In this video, we will share with you top 10 best healthy snack ideas that are easy to prepare and full of nutrients. Number 1. Apple slices with peanut butter. This is a classic for a reason. The combination of sweet and salty flavors is really satisfying, and the protein and fiber in the peanut butter and apple will keep you full for hours. Number 2. Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium, and the honey and nuts add a delicious flavor and some extra nutrients. Number 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, and they're really easy to make ahead of time so you can grab one whenever you're hungry. Number 4. Trail mix. A mix of nuts, seeds, and dried fruit makes for a perfect snack that's high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. You can even make your own trail mix at home with your favorite ingredients. Number 5. Edamame. These are young soybeans that are often served as a snack in Japanese cuisine. They're high in protein and fiber and have a delicious nutty flavor. Number 6. Avocado toast. This trendy snack is made by mashing an avocado onto a piece of toast and seasoning it with salt and pepper. It's a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Number 7. Vegetable sticks with hummus. This is a classic Mediterranean snack that's high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. The vegetables add some much-needed vitamins and minerals, and the hummus is a delicious and creamy dip that will keep you full for hours. Number 8. Tuna salad. This is another high-protein, healthy fat snack that's really easy to make. You can use canned tuna or fresh tuna salad and enjoy it on a bed of greens or with a whole grain bread. Number 9. Smoothie. A smoothie is a great way to get your fruits, vegetables, and protein all in one glass. You can make a smoothie with bananas, berries, spinach, and Greek yogurt for a delicious and nutritious snack. Number 10. Whole grain crackers with cheese. This is a quick and easy snack that's high in protein and fiber. Look for whole grain crackers that are made with at least 3 whole grains and pair them with a sharp cheddar or mozzarella cheese for a satisfying snack. There are many other healthy snack ideas out there. Get creative and experiment until you find what you like best. Just remember to choose snacks that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips. Until next time.